Now it's time for a very cool string topic, string methods. Okay, so open up a new text header and title it string methods. So what are string methods? Well, first press Shift Enter. Let's get up a string. Okay, so my string. Now, code along with me. I want you to pick out whatever string you want, right? You can use single quotes, you can use double quotes, and you can put anything you want in between. Suppose you could even use triple quotes if you wanted to. So my string is going to be Python rocks. Okay, and I'm going to put a period after it. Okay, so that is a string, and if I press Shift Enter, it's stored as a string. Now, just to show you verification that it is a string, you can try the global function type. Now, if you're calling it my string, you should hope that it is a string. But the type function will tell you, yes, it is str, it's a string. Additionally, if you type in my string and then you press the dot, do that now, you see all the various options for strings. So you can capitalize it. Now mine's already capitalized, but you could also, what else is in here? You can use the arrows and just kind of like browse and see. And these are all the string methods, and these are the things you can do to strings. Okay, let's go over some of the more popular ones. One is lower. Okay, so if I start typing LO, it shows up as an option lower. Go ahead and enter lower. And then a method is like a function. So when you're running a function, typically you need to have parentheses in there. Okay, but because it's on my string, you don't actually put it in parentheses. Lower is not a global function. It's not the case that you can put something in the global function lower. It is a string method, so it's at the end of a string. Okay, so go ahead and do that and press Shift Enter, and you can see now my string is all lowercase. By comparison, go ahead and turn it to upper. My string.upper. By the way, you know how some people like they want to like bold their text or whatever, and they make it all upper. Well, you can use lower to actually change that. Okay. Okay, so there it is in uppercase. What else do we have? I want you to pick your own method and try it. Try something else. Pick from the list. I do not know what a lot of these are. You know, I'm not an expert of strings. Far from it. Let's pick a good one. I'm remembering find. Now find might be you need to find like, is there an R in it? And it gives you 7, which would be the index of the R. So that's a cool one. There are a lot of really cool ones, you know, cool methods with strings. So there's lower, there's upper, there's R. Now, this is interesting. If I type in my string, go ahead and do that. So call your string back, press Shift Enter. Nothing has changed. It's exactly the way it was at the beginning. To change it, you actually need to reassign it. So if I reassign my string to my string dot lower, and then I want to show it, maybe, go ahead and do that. Press Shift Enter. And now it's been reassigned to a lowercase. Okay, so you do have to reassign it. When you call up the method, it's delivering it, but it's not reassigning it to the variable in these cases. Okay, there's a little bit about string methods.